From Saturday evening through late Sunday night. Impacts, power outages, and tree damage are possible due to the ice. Travel could be very difficult due to snow and ice accumulation on roads.
Where's the storm watch?
The current time is 6:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 6 p.m. Gainesville, it was cloudy.
Not cloudy.
50 degrees. Dew point 30. Relative humidity 46%. Wind northwest at 13 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.85 inches and rising. Elsewhere around the region, Athens, it was cloudy. 54 degrees. Wind northwest at 9 miles an hour. Atlanta, it was mostly cloudy. 56 degrees. Wind west at 12 miles an hour. Lawrenceville, it was cloudy, 52 degrees, wind variable at 5 miles an hour. Rome, it was cloudy, 55 degrees,
Ooh, that was loudy,
wind
loudy.
west at 10 miles an hour. Chattanooga, it was cloudy, 51 degrees, wind northwest at 13 miles an hour. Greenville, Spartanburg, it was mostly cloudy, 46 degrees, wind northeast at 7 miles an hour. Augusta, it was cloudy, 54 degrees, wind calm. Macon, it was clear, 56 degrees, wind west at 7 miles an hour. Asheville, light rain was falling, 44 degrees, wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. NOAA Weather Radio transmitter at Atlanta, KEG 80 on 162.550 will be off the air for scheduled maintenance.
Hold on.
Service is expected to be restored by this afternoon. KEG 80 provides service to the Georgia County.
Let's see if I can get KC80.
Henry. On 162.425, Chatsworth, WXK 52 on 162.400, E-Tenton, KXI 89 on 162.525, and Cleveland, WXJ 53 on 162.525. Weather information is also available from weather.gov/Atlanta. Here is the hazardous weather outlook.
Yeah.
This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north and central Georgia. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. A winter storm watch is in effect for portions of North Georgia from Saturday night until early Monday morning, as a strong storm system may bring the potential for a winter weather event during this time. Uncertainty still remains with regard to details including precipitation type, location, and timing. However, encouraged to closely monitor the system for potential substantial winter weather impacts. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Gainesville listening area. Tonight, partly cloudy early, then clearing.
Oh my
Lows
God.
in the lower 30s.
Oh no.
Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Friday night, increasing clouds. Lows in the mid-30s. Light and variable winds. Saturday, showers in the afternoon.
Oh,
Highs in the upper
stay!
east winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour.
So you guys have to make it work.
Chance of rain 90%. Saturday night, showers in the evening, then snow or rain or freezing rain after midnight. Lows in the upper 20s. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 40 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. And now the extended forecast. Sunday and Sunday night, snow showers, freezing rain and sleet. Highs in the lower 30s. Lows in the upper 20s. Martin Luther King Jr. Day and Monday night, mostly clear. Highs in the lower 40s. Lows in the mid-20s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, mostly clear. Highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the upper 20s. Wednesday and Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the upper 30s. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and snow. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the upper 20s. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta. This watch is for the following county: Habersham, Georgia.
Winter storm watch.
What? Heavy mixed precipitation
Winter storm
possible.
watch.
Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches across the mountain valleys and extreme northeast Georgia, 8 to 12 inches along and near the Blue Ridge Escarpment, and upwards of 12 to 20 inches at elevations above 4,000 feet, and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch possible. Where? Portions of upstate South Carolina, northeast Georgia, and western North Carolina. When? From Saturday evening through Monday morning. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Additional details. Precipitation may begin as early as Saturday afternoon across parts of the mountains, and will increase in coverage and intensity late Saturday night with a changeover to all snow in most places. Most of the precipitation will fall as snow across the mountains and foothills of North Carolina, northeast Georgia, and upstate South Carolina. The precipitation will taper off Sunday afternoon and evening, but snow will linger along the Tennessee border into Monday morning. Widespread black ice should be expected Monday morning, and may be a concern into the middle of the week. Later guidance may change snow amount and will determine when a warning is issued. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can be found at www.weather.gov/GSP. This watch is for the following counties in Georgia: Franklin, Hart, and Stevens. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 8 inches over the northwest Piedmont, 4 to 6 inches along the I-85 corridor, 2 to 4 inches south of I-85, and ice accumulations of around 3/10 of an inch possible. Where? Portions of upstate South Carolina, northeast Georgia, and the western Piedmont and foothills of North Carolina. When? From late Saturday night through Sunday evening. Impacts. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. Additional details. Precipitation will begin Saturday evening and will gradually change over to a wintry mix across the region early Sunday morning, with mainly snow north of the I-85 corridor. A mix of all precipitation types is expected in the I-85 corridor. Freezing rain is most likely to affect the Lakelands and lower Piedmont of South Carolina and the Charlotte metro area on Sunday morning. Gusty winds may contribute to power outages. The precipitation should taper off Sunday afternoon and evening, perhaps as a period of light snow. Black ice could be a problem each morning early next week. Later guidance may affect precipitation types and amounts, and when a warning would be issued. A winter storm watch means there is a potential for significant snow, sleet, or ice accumulations that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can be found at www.weather.gov/GSP. This watch is for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Dawson, Hall, Jackson, Lumpkin, Madison, and White. What? Heavy mixed precipitation possible. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches, with locally higher amounts in the higher elevations of far northeast Georgia, and ice accumulations of up to 1/4 of an inch possible. Winds could gust as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Portions of north central and northeast Georgia. When? From Saturday evening through late Sunday night. Impacts, power outages, and tree damage are possible due to the ice. Travel could be very difficult due to snow and ice accumulation on roads. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. The current time is 6:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
There.
The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 6 p.m.